Hey there, Millionaire House friends. Welcome back to the channel and come on into the kitchen. I've got a lot to share with you today, including how I clean my Lamps Plus kitchen lighting. I'm also sharing the details on some updated window treatments that we did in the kitchen nook. And finally, I'll be giving some very easy, simple tips to achieve beautiful summer tablescapes. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll be giving some details on a question you'll need to answer for the giveaway. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've got a lot of really exciting updates for you, so I'll be quick. First, a quick apology for a lag in content. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you know I broke my finger right at the beginning of summer and then had to have surgery on it, and so it really slowed down my ability to produce videos for you. So really sorry about that. But the good news is I'm gonna make it up to you. I am coming up on my first anniversary here on YouTube, and we are almost at 25,000 subscribers. I am overjoyed and so thankful to all of you who have decided to come along on our Millionaire House journey. And as a thank you, I'm going to host another contest where I am going to be giving away 2 $100 Visa gift cards to all of you guys. All you've got to do is be following me on Instagram and subscribe here at my YouTube channel. And on the videos that I'm going to be posting over the next couple of weeks, there will be a question in the video. You have to be one of the first 25 people to comment answering the question to be entered into the contest. Really simple and a lot of fun. And again, I want to say thank you. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I've been cleaning our Lamps Plus lighting in our kitchen. I'm going to share with you window treatment updates, and I'm going to share a couple of really fun and simple tablescapes using things that you have right around your house. So thank you, and let's get started. A lot of you have been asking on Instagram how I clean our kitchen lighting from Lamps Plus. I'll start with this one because it's a lot easier. This is the Hinkley, and I'll have a link in the description box below for you. But because it's glassless, all it really needs is a wipe down with a dry microfiber cloth, which I do probably about once a month. The Largo pendants that you see here require a little more involvement for cleaning because of, one, the location. As you can see, it's located over the main island, which is right under a 24-foot ceiling, so the dust kind of falls down into the bowl and on the outside as well. I found that the easiest thing to do is to actually remove the bowl. It only takes about 15 minutes from start to finish to get all 3 of them clean, and I use a very simple solution of warm soapy water. And of course, you guys know I love my cleaning vinegar, so I add a little bit of that in there as well. And then I just give it a nice little wash down with a microfiber cloth so that I don't scratch the glass, and it comes out beautifully. And once I'm done washing the bowl, I actually dry it with a dry microfiber cloth, and then I go over it again with a dry paper towel just to make sure that I don't leave any little dusty particles behind. These by far are my favorite light fixtures in the house. They're so pretty day or night, and good news, they are back in stock. I'll have a link in the description box below for you. We also updated the window treatments in the kitchen nook. I have always been a huge fan of plantation shutters. I just think they're a beautiful addition to a window. And we had them in our old house, but I was hesitant to get them in this house because I have pop-in windows. And the first company I interviewed a couple years ago told me I would not be able to pop in my windows with the plantation shutters. But I met Sunburst Shutters. They told me that's definitely not the case. So they came out, measured the windows, and framed them so that I could pop them in to clean them when I needed to. They've been in business for 40 years. They were a joy to work with. And as you can see here, if you have pop-in windows, you can have plantation shutters. I'm able to open my windows very easily, get them cleaned, and then get them closed back up again. Okay, so now we've gone over our updated window treatments. I've shown you how I've cleaned all the lamps plus lighting. And now I'd like to share a couple of my favorite tips on how to achieve the perfect tablescape using everyday items that you have in your home. Tip number one is all about layering and creating different areas of dimension on the table. And tip number two is about color. I'll typically try to stick to 2 to 3 colors in my tablescapes, with one main color and then a secondary color, and then finally your accent or your pop of color. So I'm going to show you right now how I do that. Okay, so I'm just going to share some simple ideas. Now this is just to help jog your creativity, you guys. I am not doing a full tablescape with utensils. I'll do that closer to the holidays and in the fall for you. This is more just to get your creative juices flowing. And in fact, I'm not even going to dress the back side of this table for this demonstration, just the front so you can get an idea. So far, all I've done is add a blue striped table runner and some blue placemats that I have in stock. And I have some beautiful glass hurricanes that you guys saw me use in the fall on my table in the dining room. Next, I'm adding some silver chargers. And then in the center, you can see I added a very summery piece of greenery. I added a navy and white dinner plate on top of the silver charger, and then a white salad plate on top of the dinner plate. And then I decided to mix in some artificial lemons that I had in stock, and I mixed in some fresh lemons with those as well, just so it didn't look so artificial, and I think it came out very beautifully. And then I had some cute little lemon napkin ring holders that I got a long time ago from Pottery Barn, and I added those to the plates as well. So it's all about just being creative, you guys. Don't be afraid to use things that you wouldn't ordinarily think to use on a table. You can see it came out lovely. The glass hurricanes allow the light to transfer through the room, so I always love using glass on the table, and it turned out great. And so this is just one idea, and I'm going to show you a second idea that may spring your creativity for the 4th of July. I had this really pretty red and blue tablecloth that hasn't been used in a while, so I'm pulling that out. Then I'm using the same centerpiece that I used in the previous tablescape, except I'm just doubling it up this time. I think it's like lemongrass. But look, I added in some cute little twinkle lights, which is always a good idea when kids are involved. But it looks like little fireflies inside the grass. So I'm using the same blue placemats that I used before, and it's always kind of fun to see how different they look when you change the colors up a bit. I used red chargers this time instead of silver, and then I went with all white dinnerware. So white dinner plates and white salad plates. And don't be afraid to mix and match. If you don't have all matching plates, you can put different plates on the ends or different plates in the center. I added white napkins. And I had these really cute little navy blue bowls with white stars on them, so I added those on top for your summer desserts. And I have these really cute miniature mason jars that I inherited from my mom, so I used those. And then I just started filling in the table with any sort of red, white, and blue or patriotic accessories that I had that didn't take up too much space. So when we talk about the 3 main colors, my main color in this instance was actually the white. And then you see an accent colors with the red. And then there's a pop of green and some pops of blue. As always, I hope this video got your creative juices flowing. And if you are playing in the almost to 25K giveaway, please answer this question. Which 2 styling tips did I give for achieving the perfect tablescape? I've got more summer fun in store for you here at the Millionaire House, so please make sure you turn on your post notifications, and if you like this video, share it with your friends and tell them about it. As always, I'm wishing you love and peace.